Alright guys, so I was recently sent the LA Splash PR package, and this is for their Weekly Divine Eyes, and they sent me the Weekly Divine Smudge Proof Eyeliner, which it says that it is an intensely pigmented liquid liner that lasts all day. The unique formula dries down quickly, provides a long-lasting wear, and will not smudge. Its fine tip brush applicator is designed to make it easy to create multi-layered eye looks fast and easy. This collection comes in an array of glittering shades that can be worn by themselves or layered for a buildable, colorful finish for a dramatic head-turning look. It says it is available in 24 incandescent colors, launching on 4/18/2018, which I'm behind. Yes, I am behind. I'm sorry. And the price point is $16 per eyeliner. You can buy this on lasplashcosmetics.com, and somewhere in the video I have included the coupon code that you can use for me. It's my affiliate code. If you so choose, you don't have to. It's whatever you choose, okay? They come in, first of all, a red, white, a blue, and a black shade. And I have only swatched these four right here. And for the most part, let me see how I can do this. Those are really bad swatches, but I'm gonna tell you right now that the white is like a light to sheer coat, which I feel like, like it says, that you can build them up. The red is pretty much very pigmented. The black is super pigmented, and it is a matte black. It's so absolutely gorgeous. And I would definitely compare it to the NYC liner or the NYX liner. I definitely would compare those to that. And the blue is definitely a color that you might have to build up. And honestly, the blue looks just like their the one that comes in the balls. And I feel like the one that's in the ball is definitely more pigmented than this liner that's in the container. That's my personal opinion. And I still like it. It says it's buildable, but I do like the one that's in the ball container than this one. The glitter liners, they actually had glitter liners that look just like this here, and I'm guessing because they wanted to have all of their lines of Weekly Divine and Angelic all to look the same, so they upgraded it to this one here, which I do love the packaging even more because this is a very, very unique packaging. I really, really love it. It looks like a little wand or something. Looks like a wand, so I really, really like it. But they have basically, I feel like, the same formula as the old container. And I mean, they're all really stinking gorgeous glitters, and they're actually the glitters that come in the containers. So if you don't want any mess from the glitters, or you just want the same base, or you don't want to use like a glitter glue and you want to use something that looks just like it, you can buy the glitter liner and the loose glitter to match it, and you don't have like anything that changes it. I really, really love their glitter liners. And if you can kind of tell on the side, this is like my favorite one. This one is called Chandelier. Yeah, this one's called Chandelier, and I've actually used this a lot, especially on my clients, because it is so super easy to give them a glitter liner look, a glitter cut crease, or just put glitter all over their lid without making a mess or having any glitter fall out on their face. So I really, really like these. These are really, really easy to use. And it dries I think it dries in a decent time. So I do like these here. I don't want to bore you with swatches or trying to swatch them for you, because it would literally probably take me about 10 minutes to get it to like a good, nice line to where that you can actually see the glitter. But again, the glitters are just like their glitter loose pigments, okay? So if you see one that you like in the loose pigments, I believe they have the same shade in the glitter liner. And again, let me show you the actual brush heads on them, and it looks like this here. So it comes to like a super, super nice point. that is one of the reasons that I really like it, especially on that matte black one, because it will probably give you like the most precise you know, line you could possibly get. And I'm going to actually try and do that on camera for you guys so that you'll see it. I love the applicator. So let's go for it. And if y'all hear something popping in the background, that's my chicken, okay? I'm cooking chicken, okay? So here we are with this Sniper super sharp, cut your mama, cut your cousin, cut your grandkids, okay? Liner. Super sharp, and it's drying down super fast. Yeah, it's drying down so super fast. Do the other eye. Do the other eye. And see, I only went in there one time. I did not have to go back in the liner at all. Have this one a little bit too high. They definitely don't match, but let's see. Better. One of my eyes is a little lopsided anyways, but it looks better in person. I know it probably looks lopsided on camera, but it actually looks right. It looks better. And I'm trying to break it. Yeah, so I'm a super huge fan of this because it's already matte. It's already dry. It dried down super fast. It's only been a couple seconds. Yeah, I like these a whole lot. Let me see. I'm gonna add a little bit of this cherry color. It's called Half Blood. Wow. super, super easy for you guys to use. Super easy. I like those. These are just the same ones that they came out with earlier, just in a different container. I like this. So, and I'm just, like I said, I'm definitely going to tell you that I like the matte black one. And that was called Dementor. Yeah, if you don't buy any one of them, I think Dementor is probably the one that you should purchase. Did I mess that up? Didn't want to close on me because I just dropped it. Okay, close. Yeah, so that is that. Like I said, I don't want to torment you with trying to show you the glitters, the glitter liner ones. So I would definitely say just look at the ones that they have already, and you can definitely just match them up to the ones that they already have and just choose it in the glitter liner. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was a little bit informative for you guys, and if it was, then definitely hit that thumbs up button for me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.